Hello viewers, welcome to my channel AHB Education.
Are you planning to travel but feel nervous about speaking English? Don't worry. In this video, you will learn 50 useful English sentences for tourists. These will help you at the airport, hotel, restaurant, transport, and shopping. Now let's get started. At airport, number 1, where is the check-in counter? Number 2, can I see your passport please? Number 3, do I need to take off my shoes? Number 4, what time does the flight leave? Number 5, where is the gate number? Number 6, where can I find a taxi or bus? Number 7, is this seat taken? Number 8, how long is the flight? Number 9, I have a connecting flight. Number 10, my luggage is missing. At hotel. Number 11, I have a reservation. Number 12, can I see the room please? Number 13, I would like a single or double room. Number 14, how much does it cost per night? Number 15, is breakfast included? Number 16, can I have the Wi-Fi password? Number 17, I need more towels. Number 18, there is a problem with the air conditioning. Number 19, what time is checkout? Number 20, can you book a taxi for me? Getting around. Number 21, how do I get to the city center? Number 22, is this the bus or train too? Number 23, where is the nearest metro station? Number 24, I would like a ticket too. Number 25, how much is a one-way ticket? Number 26, stop this train, stop at. Number 27, how long does it take to get there? Number 28, can you show me the map? Number 29, is it within walking distance? Number 30, I am lost, can you help me? At a restaurant. Number 31, a table for two please. Number 32, can I see the menu? Number 33, what do you recommend? Number 34, I am vegetarian. Number 35, I don't eat beef. Number 36, can I have this without spice? Number 37, I'll have this one, please. Number 38, can I get the bill, please? Number 39, do you accept credit cards? Number 40, the food was delicious. Shopping. Number 41, how much is this? Number 42, can I try this on? Number 43, do you have this in size or color? Number 44, I am just looking. Thank you. Number 45, can I get a discount? Number 46, I'll take it. Number 47, do you accept dollars or euros? Number 48, can you wrap it as a gift? Number 49, where is the nearest ATM? Number 50, thank you, have a nice day. Thank you so much for watching my video.